Yo, stocks 5150. The time now is 9:21. 9:21. Today is what, September 30th. Oh man, hold on. I gotta go get my glasses. I can't see. All right. So, like I said, got my glasses. And now we can see. We know what's going on, right? All right. Check it out. I'm back on my again. We have a new contract that's out. That's available. This is the March 2026 contract. And yes, I've already started trading that. As you can see right now, I'm down for the day $92. Oh no, down 101. Yeah, because I've been making some miscues this morning. But P&L for this one is at negative 24. So we'll see if we can trade this back up. But this one is going to be for my long-term swings, I'm going to say. Um, I think we got a government shutdown coming up. I think that's what's on the forecast. And so historically, when the government shuts down, the market runs, the market goes up. Um, who knows what's going to happen now? I don't know. I don't know. I had this one right here. Let me see. Let me go to activity so you can see right quick. Year to date, this is H. Yeah, I'm at 32. Yeah, down 18. But I was up, but I messed up this morning. Wasn't paying attention. I was doing stuff I should be doing. As far as this trade goes, I'm in a 2508, 25088088, and I'm a buy, I'm long. As you can see, we're down a couple right here. So it's bouncing around. We'll see how it goes. This has light volume when you trade the contract that's not active yet, so you can see how the volume is. It's super light. I'm just doing this to get my reps up. Like I said, this one I use for my overall thesis the month ahead. So I'm gonna be long on this because what I expect to happen is I believe that we're gonna continue to go up. I don't think we're gonna pull back yet. Am I saying that right? September was high. October is the pullback month, and that's what's coming. But I think that as far as today goes, we're gonna head up to 21, 50, 20, 25, 155, I believe. I believe we'll hit 155. Uh, yeah, that's what I think it'll happen. And then I'll get out, or at least 100. You see here, we have this one wicked out right here. This is at 128. I want to say I have an order in already. Yeah, I got it to get out to close out at 25,200. So that's where for this one, 25,200 is my close on that one, which is basically right here, halfway in the middle, part of that wick. I can't see why, if, like during the open, depending on which way we go, we'll see in 5 minutes. We could we could go the wrong, we could go the other way when it crashes out. Then I'm wrong again, right? But what we're gonna stay focused on. So where we at is at 088, and we're gonna go up, stay to 200, right? And if we make it to 200, that should give us our P&L. Let's see, close this out. That'll give us for this trade. Get up there to it. That'll give us 222 if we can get in this. I'm not the only one there. Someone else in there too. So they give us 222 on this contract. That's where we at. All right. So let's go to the trade that's active right now. The one that's active is December 25. Time is flying, yo. Over here, looking a little bit better. P&L for the day, 142. P&L open on this position is 91. Trading my way back in the green. Now I still got a long way to go because go here to the history for the this is 25. Wait, that's it. Yes. NQ. Okay, here. So I'm still down 241. Still down. But that's from 1500. So I'm working my way back slowly but surely. And I'm running out of time, I think. But how many days do I have on this? On this NQN, I got 80 days. Okay, I got 80 days. I might be able to pull it off. And like I said, this was at 90, so they had a P&L. Okay, working on it slowly but surely. Oh, and the position that I'm in right now is 24,744, 774, and gonna go to 900. So we're at 8 right now. So look, why do I have it at 8? Is because 8 is in the middle. Well, not 8. What do I have this? What did I just say? 9. Yeah, 900. Yeah, 900. So we can catch some coming up because 920 is in that wick right here. Same chart, same everything. So check it out. I'm thinking about adding some money. So I want to trade a big boy contract. Then it'd be a multiple of 10. It'd be a multiple of 10. This would be rather than 84, but that would be 800. I could just stop right there. Like I literally could stop right there. You know, $40 a day is still plenty of money. But whatever, man. So today is Tuesday, September 30th. I'm back with the world. I went on vacation, went down to Orlando, did a little trading down there, off the grid. Orlando's a nice city. I'll probably go back. All right, so 10 a.m. we have the jobs jolts job opening at 10 a.m. and we have the CD consumer confidence. And DJ at 11 o'clock. DJ T will be speaking. Yeah, hopefully my trades will be hit by the end. The job jolts opening. The previous was 7.18. The forecast is 7.19. This is what month is this? This is October. I can't. I don't think it's gonna go up. I think it's gonna go down for the job openings. I don't know though. Don't quote me on this stuff. Anyway, that's where we at with that stuff. And hold on, I'm also doing something. I'm on two screens over here. Up, market started. Yay, yay, yay. What are we gonna do? Are we going up? Are we going down? Let's zoom in and do the ticks. Alright, dropped. Start dropping instantly. Look at that. Alright, so we're falling down, down, down. So it looks like the market knows about what happened last night. They're starting to digest and they're selling back off. Alright, so looks like this is where we're going. First 5 minutes. Not gonna make no big move yet. I'll just wait and see. Alright, bounced off to 800. A little bounce, see what happens. This right here is where you gotta be like with your conviction, because it's like, oh no, everything's going to the end. Look at that, going down. And up here on this one, I was bearish earlier. Yeah, dumbass. Whatever. All right, we get a bounce, maybe. See what it looks like. We got the market open is just crazy. This volatility. It's insane. It's gonna this first 5 minute candle looks like. So it looks like we're in the downtrend. We stay above 94,800. See, we consolidated here a lot last night, pre-market. So we revisit that. Stay above this level, we might be okay. We get down here, of course, you know, consolidation. Everybody taking in profits. Chipping away. See, this, when it happens like that, that's when you like, I should have sold. So it was up 85. Look at that, just that quick. That's gone. Just that quick. So now this is where we were at. Breaking below it. See if we can go back up and pull that, hit it again. All right, so it broke all the way down. We just watched that go down the drain. Just like that. I want to say that I said that I was going to play one up and play one down. That was what I had said originally. Like play the one in the future, in the next month over, play that to the opposite side and do that, but I didn't. So we're getting a bounce here at 760, slight little bounce, maybe. I don't know, man. I don't know if I quantify this as a bounce or not. Let's go to the 15 minute. That's our first 5 minutes. So first 5 minutes was a downward, but it was a doji. So no, there it is. 15 minutes, we still sitting at a doji. But look at this. It just took all that back. Everything from pre-market from 4 o'clock took all that back. Swept all that liquidity right back where you started. So you worked hard all night, myself. Look at these trades. I had this one, that one, that one, that one, that one. So I had did a little bit clawing, and look, boom, just like that. I stayed in, and then bam, one big candle took it all out, just like that. So conventional wisdom in the beginning: don't be in the trade when the market opens, unless you want to play the volatility. And with that, I could have played to the downside, which would have been probably $80. So because that's what I just gave up. Lesson learned. Will I retain that lesson? Probably not. I'll do the same thing again tomorrow. All right, so now we're getting a little bounce. We find some support here. Let's go back. Let's look at this on a higher time frame, 15 minute. I got my Fibonacci drawn out. I got some levels in here too from previous trades. rid of them because they kind of invalid at this point. You can see where it went, where it did. I could. That's right there. There. I don't need to do that. So delete that. Yeah. All right. So we look at it on a 15-minute. We see our ranges right here. You see. So we can go from 24. Was it 520? 520. Go all the way down to 520. That could happen. Then what you gonna do? I switch. Like I'm telling you, if this breaks and goes to, it's already starting to get to this next candle does. Right now it's holding that right there, which I want to say that's my 61.8. Not that my Fibonacci's matter, but okay, it's holding at the 50% line. So it's holding at the 50. So if we hold at the 50 and we stay there, and that proves to be the bounce that we need. But this looks like double top, right? So we might revisit this. We might revisit these lows today. All this fear they got going on. The government shutdown too, that's coming. So yeah. So looking at it on a higher time frame for 4 hour, we are definitely in a downtrend. And yeah, should get a bounce. Hopefully we get a bounce and we come back up to the 61.8 and pull up. That's what I would like to happen. I don't want us to come back down to here. Not today anyway. Maybe do that when tomorrow happens, like the government shuts down, and they know for sure that the government's gonna be down. That'll be okay, I guess. For right now, come on, let the trade play out for me, bro. Not looking good though. That's nasty. Clearly, it's a downtrend. All right. Hopefully, this is the bounce we need, and we can push up through here. So this will be resistance right here at 24, 756. So if we can break above 756 and push on up. Time is 9:40. First 10 minutes in. First 10 minutes in. So I'm thinking about is converting, dehydrated, thinking about converting my, I got a Think of Swim account and converting that over to Tasty Trade. Maybe the same thing with my, trade. I don't know, I might keep E-Trade, but thinking about Think of Swim, just putting that over there. So we're holding right there. Need to build on that and then bounce up. Need a pullback for sure. So we can go up a little higher. Yes. So here's what I'm thinking. I got my 401k, and that's in my stocks and crap. Then I got this. So I'm thinking about closing all those accounts out, those brokerage accounts, and consolidating all that money over to here and trading with it. Is that crazy? Is that crazy? I don't know. I'm thinking about doing it. Then I have everything on this one platform, and that'll be it. Well, I'll keep my Roth. So yeah, I think I will do that. Nah, I ain't gonna leave it like this. All right, we're heading back up now. That's good. So I'm gonna leave E-Trade alone. Let's see. I don't know. I think I will transfer some of it. I ain't got nothing else. I got like shit sitting over there. I can put that to use. Why am I thinking like this? Because shoot, let's see. So external transfer, link brokerage, E-Trade. All right, get a little resistance here. We can pull up and bounce and stay on top. Be all right back where we were, close to it. Not quite, actually pretty far away. All right, so this transfer crap didn't work. Got trouble linking it, yes. All right, what's happening? We're pulling back now, so back where it was at, heading back down. We ran into some resistance right there. Something's happening at 10. I just told y'all. I think those job reports coming out. Let's see what's happening with Jolts. And that comes out at 10 o'clock. Um, all right, so there, this is the pullback because the Jolts job open is about to come out. That comes out at 10 o'clock, so we got 9 minutes for that. So that's what this little pullback is for. Indecision. So where are we sitting at? We're going to be sitting at the, go back up, let's see, 747. So we're sitting just above the 50%. I mean, above is better than below, but we need to be at the 61.8. But given the current trend, it looks like everything wants to go down. So we are, yeah, basically waiting on that Jolts job report. Oh, it's out. Oh, no. 7 minutes, sorry. 7 minutes. And the consumer confidence comes out too. We already know consumer confidence is going to be down. So, I mean, the job jolts have been down consecutively since 2022 and all year this year. We haven't had one over 8 since 24. Yeah, so much for this Trump economy being so good. Keep talking about it. Ooh, it's so good, best ever. Just be telling stories, yo. Uh, I don't even know what this is supposed to do for us, though. Yeah, we've been on a steady decline since 2022. So I don't see where it's going to go up. So it should be in par, on par. Previous was 7.18. We're looking for 7.19. Job openings. So the jobs, job opening labor turnover survey. Yes, report. Let's see, because Office Insight on the health of the U.S. labor market. Bro, we already know that thing's down. So this is not going to probably be a good one for me. Yeah, the number of job vacancies. So we should get some volatility. Oh shit! Look at that. We're getting some already. Going down, son. See, I had a chance, didn't I? I had a chance. I turned away and looked back, and now it's looking at what happened. Everything happened. Everything happened. Man, that's so quick. That was so quick. This thing's selling off right in front of the report. The report ain't even hit yet. All right, let's see what we got. Got 4 minutes. 4 minutes saying consumer confidence. I mean, neither one of these is going to be good. Previous was 97.4, and the forecast is 96. So they expect it to be down, and they expect it to be uh, higher job opens. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know why they're freaking out like this already. All right, we got 3 minutes. All right, 3 minutes. 2 minutes coming up. Coming up. I'm gonna go back to doing what I was doing. I was busy. We're down now today, $200. This is what I gotta be careful with. If I start trading the big boy contracts at 200, that'd be $2,000. I'd be down. I stay down more than I do up. That right there would be $280. Would I be disciplined enough to get out early? All right, we got under 2 minutes. Under 2 minutes coming up. It's right here. Definitely gonna be more job openings because we ain't got nobody. Then they got rid of everybody. At least according to their little data. I don't know, man. But I'm really thinking I'm gonna have to get out of these long positions though before DJT starts talking at 11 because talking about the government shutdown and all that. I don't think I should be a part of that. All right, we got 1 minute left. 1 minute. Definitely take the stairs up and the elevator down for sure. Okay, so 42 seconds left. All right, pull back. We hit 87, 84 resistance. 12 seconds till we get the numbers. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pending, pending, pending. And the JOLTS openings are forecast of 7.19. Let's see what we got. Consumer confidence was is forecast. Oh, okay. Forecast 7.19 and actual 7.23. So that means we do have more job openings, higher unemployment, higher unemployment. That means we should get some Fed cuts, some rate cuts, right? Consumer confidence forecast was 96. We got 94.2. Yeah, that means we're down. What is going to happen now? Do we go down? How is the market going to react to that? How is the market going to react to that? 7.23. So forecast was 7.19. We got more openings. So that means that there's some jobs out there. Just got to go get them. And consumer confidence, of course, is lower than expected. But it's been trending down for a while now. Yeah, because in August it was 97.4, then July 97.2, and May 98, April 25 was 86. It's still higher, but it is down. Not bad. Not bad. That's a survey. That crap there of 3,000 households. How they feel about things. Who cares how you feel? What's really going on? What's going on in these streets with these jobs? Ain't no jobs. All right. So labor turnover for August. So basically, number of jobs reported this month, excluding the farming, is actually greater than forecast. So it was greater. So that's good for the currency. So we should start running back up. Release monthly, yeah, yeah, yeah. So we got job creation. So we got more job creations. All right. So better than the forecast. So we should start running up. I should get back into the green. Por favor. Then DJT gonna start talking, but I'm gonna be out of here by 10:30. I don't care what is going on. At 10:30. Matter of fact, let me put a timeline on this joint. Where is it at? Timeline. Let's go to the 1 hour. It's 10 o'clock. What time is he speaking? He's speaking at 11. So at 10, all right, I gotta do 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So DJT speaks at 11. So I gotta be out of here by 10:30. I don't have much time. But when I hit that right there, that's when I need to be getting out of here. Matter of fact, let me change that to a red color so I can know. Yeah, I need to be getting out of here. Make it fit. All right. So when that approaches, I'll be closing out. All right, so we're making our run back up now, which is good.
Look, guys, there's no way to sugarcoat it. Nobody likes Democrats anymore. We have no voters left because of all of our trans bullshit. Not even black people want to vote for us anymore. Even Latinos hate us. So we need new voters.
Damn. Did I just miss what happened? I looked down, I was looking at Truth Social, Donald Trump talking shit, and all of a sudden it started falling. Bro, come on, man. What is happening out here on this earth? He just posted this crap. That can't be why the market started dropping. Something must have happened. We ran into what? 810, 810, and that was our resistance. Giving up the ghost. This is crazy. So it looks like we don't want to be up above here. That's twice we done hit that. 800. Pretty crappy move, I say. All right, let's see if we're gonna get us a bounce. We stayed above 755, 750. That's at least a higher level. Well, we'll see. Give us some gas. Let's go. Oh no, gave up. Looks like we're gonna break down lower. Get some volume in here. We need to push up. Need to push up higher. 10 o'clock. Crazy part. Him speaking at 11 o'clock coincides kind of when right before the Euro close. I like being in for the Euro close because you can make some money. All right, so we down 27, whatever, down 30. All right, back to what I was doing, man. This is today. Swamp TV. All right, so we pulling back. The whys don't matter. It's just happening. If we take a L on this, man, I'm gonna kick myself. Especially since I put a time limit on. I got 20 minutes left. Continue. I'm trying to transfer something. That's not working. We got a little bounce. We need a little bit more gas though. That volume looking shaky. Yeah, we need a little bit more. Got to break up above the 776. So crazy that the positions that I go into end up being the dang old base or the resistance. Either way, it takes a while. Okay, back to what I was doing. I'm transferring my Charles Schwab account over. All right, we got green. We got 15 minutes. 15 minutes. I gotta make a decision. Hope I can get more than $10 out of this, but bro, been being greedy is what I've been doing. Should have got out of it. It was at 800. All right, then we got the volume that we need. A little bit. Yeah, it's got some volume though. Heat sink these orders. Look at this 2,000 up there. Let's go. We got plenty right here. 800. Let's get back to it. Let's get back to it and get through it. I don't see why we can't get through this 800. That's like a psychological thing or something. Pull back, bounce, get the gas. Right here, we should bounce. Right here, 788. Bounce at 788. Let's go. Let's take this thing on up, bro. Where am I sitting? I'm sitting way up here. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get. I don't think I'm gonna get what I was wanting to get out of this. No. Let's see. What do I have this at? I have this at 900. Cancel that. This right here is crap. 88. We're at 33. It's killing me. All right, let's get a bounce. So now we readjusting ourselves. 800 will be fine. 800 will be 50. 800 would be 50 and 50, 40 a day, blah, blah, blah. He's really not trying to play nice with me. All right, let's make a run. We need more. We need some volume. Let's give it up too soon, bro. It's gonna get a bounce. Let's build. Let's build. The crazy part about this is trying to talk our way into it. That's not how it works at all. But we needed to get up above 800 and stay. Get up above 800, then I might hang out past 1030, maybe. And that's twice this thing gave up 3 times. How many times we didn't hit that? Let's look at this. Let's go to 15 minutes. Keeps crashing out on us right there. Just not trying to get past 800. It's a lot of resistance. Look at that. It's right there. Gotta get above that so we can push on up. A lot of shorts at 800 is what's happening. Well, this time at least on the 15, we didn't go as low as that, so that's a good thing. See what it looked like on the 5. This is crazy resistance right here now. All right, so we wicked out a little bit. That's good. We wicked out halfway. So let's push on up. We got to get past it. We wicked out here though early. else. Got 5 minutes to make a liar out of myself. Said I was gonna get out before KT started talking. I don't want to get out with a loss though. I won't even lie to you. My P&L on the day is 35. 5 minutes to make a decision. Oh boy, look at that. That's crazy. It's not helping me at all. Stand right here on this damn border, man. This is crazy. Like if I didn't go online and look and see what other people's positions were, I would swear that this algorithm was set up like everything is individual. We know it's not thanks to YouTube, but it pushed me right up to it. Look at that, $8. Gotta get some volume. I gotta hang out. I said I was gonna leave. Guess what? I lied. So we'll bring this over here. Give us 15 more minutes. 15 more minutes. All right, there we go. 1032. I hung around for a little while. Thank you. We break up above 800. We weaken again at 800. Weaken again at 800. My chair is flipping down. We need to stay above 800. Por favor. Glad I didn't quit. All right, so we can build up and go. See where it looks like we're gonna go. 801, 802. We're getting a little wick right here, but we can build. All right, that's nice, nice. 816. Go up to 808. We get on 808. We'll probably all right. We wick right there. 808. We get a little push. That was higher wick. See what the next one will be. 144. See what we're looking like. Shit. That's just one big move. Okay, there it is. There. Up, 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 up. All right, let's see. Stay above, stay above. We wicken. Stay above. No. Come on, right here. Wick, bounce, bounce. Let's go, bounce. There we go. Stay above, stay above. It's like waking up, man. We're sleeping. Let's go. We got to get some more. We got to get up above 800 and stay. You know, I would have really been upset if I would have got out at 30 at 10:30 and that candle, this candle right here, that happened right at what time was that? 10:33. I would have got out. Yeah. All right, we're consolidating. Hopefully, we can stay above the 788 and push up some more. We need to get above 800 and stay for this to work out. I mean, I'm really being greedy on this. This $40 a day is aiming for. But I'm trying to figure something out. is falling. Let's see if we get some gas. Let's go. This stuff is crazy, like a roller coaster. That volume looks good. We should be able to push up on this. Let's go. Keep getting it. Keep getting it. Let's make a run for it. Watch. Stay above here. Let's go. Stay up. Stay up. Stay up, Kane. Ah, pull back. We're getting some activity here. People starting to trade now, I guess. Volume. Not the way I want to go, though. All right, falling back. Staying above 78, though. Let's stay. Let's see if we can hit it. Hit it and stay above it, not break through it. All right, we're back in the red again. Good grief. This thing needs to push up, man. Needs to push up and stay up. Damn, I'm feeling my emotions. I know in hindsight, I'm probably gonna look back and kick myself. I really got to get out of here before DJT starts talking. I don't want to take no huge L on this one. So we're recuperating. It did stay higher than this so far. Still, alright, so We got all right. We heading back up now. We got some gas. Or let's see. We go on here on YouTube. I gotta go do some stuff today. We get back up to 800. I think we can get out. I'm gonna just close this up. Put an order in for 800 and close this out. 780. Where's that? 800 is 51. I'll close out at 800. Okay. All right. So when it hits the 800, I'll get out and call it a day. We're approaching our time. We got 1 minute. 1 minute before we gotta be out of here again. Get that red line. I get that. We can start rebouncing. We're staying higher though. Just like that, time's up. And I'm only at $8. See? But yeah, so I didn't keep my word, did I? Of course not. All right, we need to get up to 800. Let's go. Let's go. All right, let's go to YouTube. All right, run it up to it. All right, we got it. So we have 101 for P&L for the day, and we are free. DJT can start talking any minute now, and it'll be okay. That's it for today. Stocks 5150. Let's see over here where we at. We are still at a loss over here because we got in at the top. And yeah, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna watch Meet Kevin in the background and see what he's talking about.
So everybody, they all make money. What do they do that has no margin? They literally have a business, a no margin business. Like, is this like a charity? Let's go find out what they do. I don't know what this company does, so we're gonna find out. Liquidity, business. Just tell me what the freaking business is. Oh my God.
I don't know what Meet Kevin's talking about.
Oh, are they suing Google? What are these people doing?
So let's see. I would lower this volume. All right, so we're heading down. Let's head back up. So let's see where we at. Can we make some money now? Can we get in something short? Let's see. Let's go for it. Let's buy market. Boom. All right, we're gonna see if we can get us a little run up. We're gonna go. We're gonna get out at 8:15. It's at 8:06. We get out at 8. Got in at 8:06. We get out at 8:10. All right, got another dollar. Oh, and look at it run. Dirty bitch. That's nice. What? See, that's how it does you. Let's look and see where is it going? 50, 40. All right, 31. 31, it went out at 50. Where did that one get to? Got out at 38. So another 40. I have you up here at the top playing in this week, which is crazy, but I'm doing it. All right, that's a nice one right there. This might push up and get 50. All I need is 40 on this. Pulling back. Let's get back. This I just did out of boredom, which is insane, but I did it. Remember, I only need 40 a day. 106, so just gambling. Let's go. We get 6 points on this. We'll be 40, and that'll be good. Then we're gonna chill. A little bit more. Bounce, bounce, bounce. We're 30. No, we're falling back down now. It's like I'm about to give it back up. Come on, let's go. Let's get that green. Push up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get this one. Let's get this one. Then we can see what the news is gonna be. Even one. All right. Bro, we falling back down again. Let's go. Get up. Get up. Need to get up past 30. I need to get green. Do I even have an order in on this already? 40. So, all right, let's see. 34, 35, 11. All right, there we go. 40. Sell market. All right, let's go. We're gonna close. Sell at the market. Get out. Bam. All right, 147. Let's see what DJT gonna do. So we are no more trading for today. We made 147 and we're gonna call it a day. Um, focus on what? Okay, this one right here with green, slightly looking for 200. And let's see, did we make a dent in 2 hours? Six right here. So we down now. Oh, this one we're down 97, 234. That's with the fees. Without fees, 232. Either way, that's enough. I ain't trading. All right, 840. Let's see. I don't think you should short right here. Still one more. 800, 802. Let's get one back at 800. I'm gonna wait for DJT to start talking. keep this for the day. All that for $36. Well, that was for 1048, 1055. I mean, that's 3 minutes. A little. That's what is that? 48, 6 minutes, 7 minutes. Get $38. Not bad. All right, we're back green over here. See, I'm on fib. We're staying above 61.8. 24,801. Let's see, 44. What did we go to on this one? 854. Let's do another 40 to 50. All right, we'll do another 40 to, was that 67? No, we wicked out right here. We wicked out at 54. 40 to 50. Boom. $10. Do 55 to 60. 40. All right. Do 50 to 60 if I can get that. Let's get 50. Let's get in here. And that would have been me. Let's get up here and get 60 right quick. All right, so we got 50. We're going to go up and get to 60 if it goes back up. Unless we got caught in the middle. All right, we got 50. You get 60. Let's see if we can get us a run up. 47, 6. Go. Here we go. Let's go. 55. 3. Let's get to 55. Let's get to 60. I'm pushing it, trying to get to 60. I was at 62. 7. Let's go. 3 more. We need 3 more. All right. 15. Boom. So do I do a short? I could do one. 60. From 55 to 50. Do 55 to 50. Right. 55 to 50. All right, so let's see where we at. 198. We need $2 more. So we're gonna do one now. 50. Come back down. Let's hit 50 again. All right, we're at 50. So the BLS just announced that they're not gonna release the job numbers. So I might have should have went short. Where we want to get out of? What do we get? We got 50. So we want to get out of 55. Push this. All right, they just throwing out news now. It's nothing. See if we can get another bounce. All right, we're sitting down here with the news now. 45. We need 55. So what I need. All right, we heading back up. I say DJT talk. I just found out he's just gonna be all right. We just hit nice 200. We are done for the day, baby. Yay, yay! All right, so I'm out. Stocks 5150. Oh look, and that's green too. That's our big play. We're heading up. We're at 100. We need 200. We're gonna let that stay in play. Stocks 5150. I'm gonna sign out and peace.